There are many drawer divider products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drawer dividers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Bamboo Drawer Dividers. Rating 4.5. Each drawer divider is 2.55 inch tall, 0.6 thick, and expandable from 12 to 17 in full length. Our bamboo dividers can be easily fitted into most drawers and cabinets, ideal for keeping your belongings organized and easy to find. Please measure your drawer before purchasing. Place one end of the dresser dividers at the bottom of the drawer, press it to the appropriate length, and then fully insert the other end into the drawer. Install in seconds without tools. These kitchen drawer organizers can be installed in any drawer of your house or office. Perfect for organizing clothes, kitchen utensils, office supplies, makeup, bathroom clutter, and more. Strong spring-loaded design makes them sturdy adjustable drawer dividers with non-slip rubber pads on the ends, keeping them stay put all the time and protecting your drawers from scratches. Number 4. DIMJ Drawer Organizer. Rating 4.6. DIMJ sets of 12 drawer organizers help you store underwear, bras, socks, ties, scarves, shirts, t-shirts, underpants, accessories, etc. Easy to find which one you want to wear, and never need to ransack all of your clothes. These non-woven fabric drawer organizers include 4 large square drawer organizer bins, 4 medium rectangular organizer bins, and 4 small square organizer bins that can hold a variety of personal items. These fabric foldable dresser storage fits all. The closed drawer organizers are foldable, and with their sturdy double-stitched zip bottom construction, it takes seconds to open and you can quickly store your items, and if you don't need to use it, it folds flat for easy storage. Number 3. Fapsom Dresser Drawer. Rating 4.6. If you are tired of messy and disorganized drawers, Fapsom dividers are a game changer. These separators let you quickly transform cluttered dressers into tidy and functional storage spaces. Compared to cloth cube bins, they allow you to utilize more space in your dresser and leave no dead space. Kids' clothes are so tiny, so it is always a mess in nursery drawers. By dividing the dresser into different sections by size and type, you can easily organize diapers, wipes, bibs, etc. and separate onesies, undies, socks, shorts, and tops. Everything is lined up neatly, making it less messy, scattered, and stressful for mom. Unlike plastic dividers, Fapsom clothing organizers are made from quality bamboo wood with a built-in spring, guaranteeing a strong grip. Number 2. LifeWit 9-Pack Drawer Dividers. Rating 4.6. To adjust the length, press the top button before placing the drawer organizer, and then stretch it out again to secure it tightly. The strong spring tension keeps each organizer upright and secure. When retracting, press the top button and push in the stretch side. Our dresser organizer is made from stable ABS material and has high-quality EVA foam sponges at the ends to prevent scratches and damage to drawer walls, leaving no trace or residue. Additionally, our divider is patented for a unique experience. Our versatile drawer dividers for clothes are available in sets of 6, 9, and 14, and can be placed either vertically or horizontally to accommodate a variety of organizing needs. This flexibility allows you to select the quantity that best suits your needs. Number 1. 6-Pack Drawer Organizer Trays. Rating 4.8. Crafted from premium PET plastic, our desk drawer organizers are twice as sturdy as other fragile ones and resistant to cracks and scratches. No smells and safe as food storage, refrigerator, pantry organizer, and storage. Measuring 2 inches high, these clear drawer dividers trays could fit with all kinds of drawers, such as vanity/bathroom/kitchen/office drawers/craft room, ideal for organizing cosmetics, makeup tools, hair accessories, jewelry, pins, office supplies, craft supplies, utensils, etc. Our organizer bins boast a wider base, which means more storage space. Stack these organizers into one another to maximize the use of your drawer storage space. The bonus silicone non-slip pads keep these organizing bins firmly in place when the drawer is suddenly opened or closed. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.